Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I wanted to take another look at the chart. We start here on the daily time frame so that everybody is on the same page. The idea is still that we could be moving higher here in wave C to the upside after a B wave bottomed around the 23rd of June. And in one of the last videos, I shared with you what the ideal target, or let's say the first ideal target is for this C wave to the upside, and it is the 100% Fibonacci extension, and it is located at $4,400. And this is a key target, this level, $4,400. We can get there in 5 waves, and at the moment we're likely still moving in the 3rd wave. So the next resistance level that comes into focus, at least here on the larger time frame, is the area around $4,000 to $4,100. So these previous swing highs here, from February or March rather, 2024 and December 2024. That's an important resistance area just because, the price couldn't get above this zone a couple of times, 2 or 3 times, and we're approaching it again. So breaking above it would be quite meaningful. But for now, we haven't reached it yet, but there's a good chance we're going to get there. And the idea is still that we could break above it, or at least get to it, then maybe form another higher low in this wave 4 before we then get let's say a push to the upside in that 5th wave. And then 4,400, don't get me wrong, it's not like a final target or something. It is the next target that we're tracking here on this chart. And it's an ideal target, but it's not the maximum necessarily, because to be honest, if this really is a 5th wave to the upside of wave 5 of 5, we should really get above this 3rd wave. So, and that 3rd wave is exactly at 4,400. So a little higher would be actually ideal. So that is currently what we are tracking on this chart. But, it's looking good, I would say. It's looking good. So that is what we're tracking right now. And I will now take a look at the smaller time frame with you, shorter time frame, and this is currently what we are tracking and what I communicated in the last update. So at the moment, the uptrend is still unfolding. You see here the potential for circle wave 4 to form. This is an internal 4th wave, and the idea is currently that we are possibly in the late stages of circle wave 3 here on the smaller time frame. It's important, I think, to recognize that the price hasn't given us any top signal yet, not even on the very local level. So you see that we are likely in the late stages of circle wave 3, but if I zoom in a little bit, then you see there are 2 support areas, basically. The first one is this one, between 3,019 and $3,352. So it's a support zone which is relevant for a wave 4 pullback of this wave degree. But we don't even know if this 4th wave has started. So there could still be an currently still unfolding 3rd wave that's unfolding. And if we zoom in, we see that further, there is a further support area, micro support, between $3,516 and $3,600. This is upper micro support. The pullback is in 3 waves, which means it keeps the door open for higher. There could easily be one more high in this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wouldn't rule out one more high in wave 5 of 5. And 3,516 is the level that, if broken, would suggest a larger pullback has started. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.